Hey guys, sorry I haven't made a video in a while. The reason is this. I have been waiting for a Bricklink order for quite some time, and I think I should open it in this video. So let's get started. So rip it open and dump all the stuff out. Wait, there's some bones in there. Okay, so we'll start with the regular pieces. So this are bones. So I'm planning to do like a dungeon, and these little guys will come in handy. So yeah, these for the dungeon mock. So you can take a look at them. They are basically like a dead skeleton, but they drop. So I also bought stray, which will fit nicely with the bones. So I'm gonna be using them like a dungeon. I bought two because one for snowy plains as well, and the other one for the dungeon. So yeah, not much to say about these. And these are old flower stems. I bought 6 of them. And I'm going to plan to be using them as grass for the plains biome. So these match pretty well. They can stack on top of each other. They are the old flower stems. I only have one of the new one, and like 1 6-pound stem. So these flower stems I might be using quite a bit. So I might order a few more. I only ordered 6 because I will know how much I need in the future. Yep, so that's done. Okay, now we have to start with this dude. He is the Wandering Trader, and he only came in 1 set, the Trading Post. And I like this figure a lot because he's very colorful, and I just like the blue color, the brown pants, and his printing. Is the back of him. Not much to say about the back. The only downside of this figure is that you can't like connect a lead to him. But I didn't buy the llama, so I guess it's fine for me. I'm not planning to use this in any future mocks. I might be getting another Bricklink order to make another mock, but I do have one other Bricklink order coming up soon. Be sure to watch out for that video. It's coming soon, I think. And yeah, this figure quite good. Okay, good stuff. Next we have the stray. So this figure came in 2 sets. One very recent one on the 2023 sets. He has a unique fabric piece, just like in the game. He is not holding a bow, but I do have an extra bow piece right here. And yeah, that's our stray. He does drop bones, which is the reason why I bought some bones earlier. Yeah, I really like his fabric piece. He's got like little holes inside, and on the back as well, got the holes, which is very game accurate. I think Lego did a great job with this figure. And yeah, so move on to the next figure. So next figure is this. It's a very, very old plain zombie. I just bought it because that's the only way I could find this new fire piece here. Other than the fire piece, the only actual figure is the zombie. So the zombie is very old classic. Like, I know it's actually my second zombie. Minecraft sets I buy don't include a zombie very often. Yeah, this is part of the dungeon mod I'll be making. He has 2 movable arms and a purple pants just like Steve. And yeah, the zombie is very plain. Alright, so next figure is zombie's cousin, the husk. So now for the husk, I do not know why this seller actually put the pieces of the husk apart. Was going to just build them real quick. So we have this piece that's the head, snaps onto the torso, and then we have legs. So this husk figure is quite a boring figure. It's just like the zombie. They are like cousins. Like the husk is like the desert version and the zombie is the normal version. I did buy a drowned. I do not know where the drowned is though. So I think the seller forgot to add the drowned. So yeah, the drowned will not be included in this video. I will be buying it again. Hopefully that the other seller won't forget to add it this time. And yeah, this has a pretty boring figure. It only came in one set called the Creeper Mind. He is a desert zombie, like I said earlier. He does have brown pants, which is very common. But other than that, this figure quite rare. Surprisingly, is the last. So yeah, this figure, I just bought it because it's quite cheap on Bricklink. The next Bricklink order will come soon, and yeah, have a great day.